Hi, this is Steven. I'm from SGV. So today I'm gonna explain about the cycle count from Yonder WMS. Okay, so you can see here, this is the inventories view, right, by the LPM. So basically, in for this item, so I want to do a cycle count by item. Okay, one of the example for the cycle count, right? So for this item, we have in two locations. Okay, and these are the quantity. All right. So in this case, that I want to do cycle count, so I can plan for cycle count, schedule for cycle count. So action and then schedule, right? So in this case, I can just choose any of the cycle count by. Okay, for this sample is I use cycle count by item. So I can enter the item code. Okay, and then after that I can find location. So it shows that there are two locations for this item, right? So I can press next. Okay, so I can name the batch for this cycle count. So I can say, okay, so this is the item code that I want to do, right? B1, batch 1. Just example, you can put in anything for let's say for the audit purpose, like for documentation purpose, you can put like the date and all that. Okay, then after that you can choose this as a cycle count, and then the request is by the user, right? I can put the future date time, right? So if I want today's date, I can just leave it as default, and then I can save this parameter as a template, or so you don't need to type in anytime anything again for the future use, right? Otherwise just save and release. Okay, so it says that two counts released successfully. Okay, so you can see here there are two cycle count was generated and then released. Yes, this one, and the status is pending. This one was before. Okay, somebody create a cycle count but is suspended, but this one is pending automatically, and it's a two cycle count. You can see this two is under one batch. Yeah, batch. So basically this is the batch and this is the counting. Okay, so now I want to execute the cycle counting, right, using the mobile. So this is the mobile. Okay, so let me log in first. I can say that I'm nearby this location. I can say that this is my nearby location where I am now. Okay, I can just say like this. Let's say I'm in the H. Okay, so I start from this location, and then I can choose a cycle count. Okay, using the inventory menu, and then you can okay, I can do cycle count here, count menu, and then cycle count. Okay, then you can enter the batch. Let's say you being ordered to do the cycle count batch, yeah, by batch. So you can scan, or you can type in. Okay, or you can you can do the other one. So it's by the directed. So don't need to know what the batch, as long you have a job and you have got the permission for it, then you will get the job using the directed mode. Okay, so this is the directed mode, cycle count. Okay, it just give you an example and area storage, and then the first job is you have to go to this location. Why this is the first? Because you have two, right? but when I start in to log in, then I say that I started with this. So this is the nearest. Okay, so it's based on the proximity or the distance from where you start. Okay, and the task, where is the location. So let's say I'm in this location, I scan the location, right? And then after that, it shows me there is a item code. Okay, so just enter, and then the client, and then they ask you to enter the quantity. Okay, if you see this location have a quantity of 20 each. Okay, so what you have to do is imagine that you don't know, right? You don't know how many, then you count, and then you start entering. You can enter multiple type of UOM. Okay, in this case I just put 20 each. Okay, 20 each. Then I enter. So it asks you for is there any other item. If no, then you just say done. Okay, so item counted 1, okay, in this location, and then you press next. Okay, to complete cycle count, you just say yes. Okay, so the first one done, the second one automatically assigned to you. Okay, then the second one is this location, then I go to that location and I confirm the location, confirm the item, and then after that I enter the quantity. Okay, so you can go back to the counting here. There is a progress. You have done 50%, 1 of 2, right? You can see here is already done. Okay, and this has been acknowledged, and this is already done. Okay, yeah. So this one, right? The percentage is 50%. All right. So next, you complete the second one. Okay, so you say done. 1, and then confirm to complete yes. Okay, so in this case, when you refresh the completed, then so it's finished already. It's completed, right? Completed. You can see from the history that you have been completed this, completed this count. Okay, by who and when is the completed, and so on. Okay, so this is you can see the batch number. Okay, so this is the batch number that you just did, the cycle count. So this is the cycle count, right? So you ask you for the quantity, you enter, and if there is no discrepancy, then it will just say no error. If there is a discrepancy, then it will show error. Okay, I think in terms of the user, just now my user is this Steven, and then you can see that I'm authorized for doing the cycle count. So you can the system based on the permission, okay, and also based on the proximity, and then it will assign the nearest person that is near to the location that the person have to do the task, right? So I hope you understand, and you can gain more knowledge from here. So thank you.